Hey everybody, welcome to week 15. So we're getting really close to the end. Um, so this will be the last week of really having a lot of assignments, obviously, since next week is dead week. So I just want you to make sure you've gotten all that stuff done um, for this week, and just check on your grades and all that, and get with me if there's anything missing or you're unsure of. Because the sooner we get on that, if the easier it is to make any corrections that we may need to make or have any discussions we need to have on that. Um, and then also, I want to remind you guys of extra credit. I've seen a couple of people have done the Sona extra credit, and I've had a couple of people email me about doing the article summary extra credit. So both of those are due next Friday. The Sona system closes at 5 on Friday next week. So be aware of that. So if you're wanting to get that done, you have basically 2 weeks to do that. And like I mentioned too on Sona, if you've done it, I have not entered any of that extra credit yet. The Sona system sends out an email with all the students in the course and their credit earned. And so once I've received that, I will go in and enter that. That way there's no double entering or any confusion on that. So I just want you to be aware of that. So before your finals due, your extra credit should be included in your grade. But it should not be there as of now. So I just want you to be aware of that. If you're looking at your grade and you've done extra credit, just know that it's not been added yet. So this week, always again go to content. So there's two things to do. When you go to the checklist, you have your checklist, which will tell you what to do. It's got your first thing you have is your second personal excellence survey. That's due Friday. It's kind of the same. It's the same survey as we did week 2. But the questions that you're answering along with it are slightly different. So just be aware that you're doing both the survey again and answering the questions that are in there. And then you have a discussion post, and it's just watching one of these short videos, kind of going through that. And doing that. And so you have your initial post, which is worth 20 points, and then your response, which is worth 10. And then with the personal exit survey, just make sure you're putting that in the Dropbox down here for personal exit survey 2 week 15. So that's pretty much it for this week. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please email me and let me know.